Hey guys, Chris here, the RC Geek. I'm back in the shop from the AMA Expo last weekend, and you know what a great time it was at the event. The new venue was great, and it was a really awesome show. The Pomona Fairplex really opens lots of opportunities since there's a lot of open space, so I'm really excited to watch the show grow there next year. I did get some video footage in addition to pictures, so I'll hopefully put together a little compilation video and get an article written when I have a chance. Unfortunately though, I didn't get a chance to see the flying area based on what was happening in the booth, and somehow I walked away with a gorgeous little micro stagger wing that I got from MikeGoesFlying.com. When I saw it, it had flaps and retracts. It had to happen. So that should be a fun little airplane to talk about. I want to personally thank everyone who came to the show and stopped by the booth. You know, hopefully you guys found the clinics helpful and are geared up to try some new techniques. We videoed one of the sessions on the main stage, so hopefully I'll have a chance to upload that one in the near future. I do apologize to anyone I may not have been able to talk with. You know, I was flying solo most of the weekend with limited help, so I appreciate your patience. But it was really cool to see the amount of interest in what I was doing with the weathering that was being done. And I was pretty happy with how the airplanes came out. You know, through the weekend we talked about shading with an airbrush, we talked about washes, and all sorts of other stuff. So thank you to everyone who entered the giveaway at the show for the E-flite P51 and FMS Yak 130. And a big congratulations to our winners, Daniel and John. I really hope you guys enjoy those airplanes. Now this all happened because of the support of the AMA and Horizon hobby, so you know, be sure to check them out guys and give them your support. We wouldn't have such a great hobby without them. Okay, so today is November 13th, so that means it's time to announce the winner of the Robo3D R1 Plus 3D printer. Thank you everyone who entered, and a huge thank you to Robo3D for this amazing donation, because without their support this couldn't have happened for you guys. I've been using their printers for many years and I absolutely love them. I have two Robo R2s and they really make some great looking parts. So be sure to check them out guys and give them your support. They make some good printers. Okay, so the winner of the Robo3D R1 Plus is Kevin Elak from Connecticut. Congratulations to you. I'll be getting in touch with you by email and we will get this printer out to you. Alright, so now that the AMA show is done and the shop is slowly coming together, it's time to get back to some building projects. I'm hoping to get back to some of the bigger projects that have been waiting too long, which will include getting back to the big Skyray build, I hope. I also discovered a Warbird kit at the AMA show that, you know, I really just could not live without. So that may happen this next year soon as well. So we'll see what happens. Either way, if all goes to plan, that'll give us some chances to talk about glassing and working with fiberglass along with some more traditional techniques like sheeting foam, things like that. Plus, my kids have been asking to do another family build, so I think it's time to do another one of those as well. And I have a fully 3D printed project that's gonna happen. So 2019 should be a fun year. Okay guys, that's it for this week. Thanks so much for watching. Thank you again everyone who entered the giveaways and stopped by at the AMA show. It was such a blast to visit with all of you. Thank you guys for all of the support you provide to this channel through subscribing and through commenting and just sharing the videos. And again, huge thank you to Horizon Hobby, the AMA, and Robo3D for these donations. Alright guys, that's it until next time. I'll see you at the field.